Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Wednesday, September 28th, 2022. So finally had the bulls that were able to see some follow through from an early opening gap up, and we made it right. This was, if you remember, this is that inverted head and shoulders pattern I'm talking about. It still could definitely be in play. It's just this neckline would move up a little bit. And if it is, then what I would be anticipating is that we're going to get a move down somewhere into this. I would say anywhere between the 36.72 and possibly even down to the 36.50, and that would form the right shoulder, and then we head up. Now that's if this pattern plays out. It's we don't know yet, but it is following it so far. You can see the 50-day moving average on the hourly chart. This is where sellers stepped in, and we closed right at the bull bear line at the 37.20. So if we head down, it's not the end of the world for the bulls, because we would be looking for that inverted head and shoulders pattern. But what they may do is just ignore this pattern, gap up to the 37.60, close this gap, or go a little bit higher. I still believe that we're going to be making it up to the 39.02 before everything is said and done. And this is where I would be, possibly even looking short, but we'd have to make sure everything is in place. So it's fairly simple right now. The bulls, they got to get it above the 37.37, and then they're going to have to get above this, say, resistance zone right here at the 37.61, possibly even 37.89. We could use either one of those. That's like this is the resistance zone, and it's from the 37.61 up to the 37.91. If the bulls can get it above it, that's when we start looking at this as an upside target. So we're pretty over bought right now. If we look on the 15-minute chart, you can see we have a little bit of a bearish divergence in place, and so seeing some backing and filling. Possibly here you can see 36.88 is actually some support right here. So if we saw that and it holds, I'd just really keep your stop below, the 36.20, and see where this goes, because, like I said, the 3900 would make the most sense right now. And then from there, that will get most of the shorts out of their positions, set up some, most likely some bearish divergences, and then we look to short anywhere up there. But for right now, this is the resistance zone that the bears need to get above to reach the 3900, but we are right at the resistance for at the 37.37 level. And if they get above it, then we're looking at 37.61, 37.88 as the resistance zone before a breakout to the 3900. Now, if the I would like to see if we are going to see any selling. Really, the bears step in and defend the 36.88, possibly even down 36.60 in that support area there. That would make me kind of feel pretty comfortable on things, that this pattern may be playing out. So let's just see what plays out tomorrow. Seeing a little bit of backing and filling would make sense before we head up to the 3900. And if it doesn't, then the bulls are just going to keep the bears on their heels and continue to press higher without any breaks at all. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.